Mr. Luciano,
Hi.
very warmly welcome you to visit us.
Thank you very much.
I just want you to say some words about our machine and our service from our company and our team.
Okay. If we talk about the first machine that we buy here 5 years ago, approximately,
it
was a very nice experience. I were very good surprise because your kindly attention.
When you use it, the performance is good. It's
Yes,
stable.
really good. The
Okay.
machine is very nice. Runs very good, properly,
Okay.
according to our needs.
Yes.
And for this, I am here now because our intention is to buy another new machine.
Thank you very much.
In this time, we don't use to look for another suppliers. Only I come here China
Directly to us.
to impact the company
Thank you.
because I confide in your company and your service 100%.
Thank you very much. And you also need some technical support for the operation for the first machine. So how do you think about our technical service?
As we told before, in the beginning with the first machine, the person, the workers in the factory don't know very much about the machine.
Yes.
Then I contact with your technical support, and they give us support 100% every time, every day, all the times that we need. Every time. It's very kindly attention, support, and collaboration.
Good. And your engineer is clever, and every time we communicate,
Yes.
we know how to deal with it.
Because the factory, where is the machine, the people is not very often work with this kind of machine. No? Then
Yes.
I look for a Chinese friend.
Yes.
And help me for translate and
Yes.
give support to the. But finally, everything become good. We are very happy.
So finally, we
Yes.
have a
Yes.
strong team, and also your friend. We are a team. We have a very successful result.
And now, after visit your factory and check all the possibilities with your different machines that you can produce, I think another possibilities with another markets and other countries that we told before, and we keep in contact, and anything I will inform you. Also, if you need anything from me that I can help in Spain or in other markets,
Cuba.
yes, different countries, different markets.
Okay.
You feel free to contact me anytime.
Thank you.
Thank you
So, Mr. Luciano, thank you so much. We really appreciate your lasting support and trust.
Was a pleasure.
And we will keep providing the highest quality in the future.
Thank you.
Hope to have more, and this time after this meeting, we will have more cooperations in the future.
That's really a pleasure.